chicken biryani, which is originated from India. It's a dish that can be made in many different ways, but this is my way. Since the main ingredient of my dish is chicken, because it is chicken biryani, the following ingredients that are shown are basically the ingredients used to marinate the chicken. So first we have some ground turmeric, then we have some garam masala, which is basically like a mixture of different spices like coriander, pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and turmeric, etc. Then we have some ginger garlic paste, which can be made in a blender with cut up ginger and garlic, a tablespoon of salt or more, depending on how salty you like it. Then we have some chili powder, and finally some curd. So now we're gonna start off by marinating the chicken, and to marinate the chicken I first use some ground turmeric, then I add in the salt and then the garam masala, which then I add in the curd and the chili pepper, and then finally I add in the garlic paste. So this is optional, but you can also add in some biryani powder, which you can find at any local Indian store. Into the bowl, we will now be mixing the chicken with the ingredients to marinate the chicken. This is what your ideally marinated chicken should look like. Now we will put the marinated chicken into the fridge and go on to washing the rice and pouring some water into it to let it soak up the water. This is what the rice should look like after you've added in all your water. Now, as the rice soaks into the water and the chicken is in the fridge, I will now be cutting up the onions, tomatoes, chili peppers, and the mint leaves to use later on in this recipe. Last step is to basically just add the ingredients in. So to let it fry, I added in some oil and some butter to melt, and then added in the bay leaf, star anise, the 6 cloves, etc. And now it's just gonna boil as I put in the rest of the ingredients. Should now be able to stir it until the onions and the entirety of the ingredients are a golden brown. After about 30 minutes in the fridge, you will now be adding in the chicken into the golden brown pot. Now we add the rice. Continue stirring together all the ingredients and then add in some water so that the dish can cook. When you add in the water, make sure to also add in the mint leaves on top. dish is quite simple, as it is just adding in some rice and then 1 or 2 chicken bones, depending on your preference, onto the side. This is done so that the person eating the dish will be able to see all the flavors that are incorporated into this dish. A common way to also add in a side dish is to add in some curd with vegetables, but personally I dislike that, so I did not add that in. And here we have our final product. I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!